Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to put money on Robinhood Debit Card, only ways. Use an ACH transfer from your linked bank account to deposit into your Robinhood Cash Card balance immediately. Open the app, tap Transfer, choose Bank Transfer, enter an amount, and confirm the transfer. Wait for the transaction status to update, which can take moments or a few business days depending on banks and verification. Start by opening Robinhood and selecting Transfers to add money to your cash card balance. Choose your linked bank, enter the deposit amount, and authorize the ACH transfer with any required authentication. Keep an eye on the activity screen for pending or completed status updates. If your bank needs verification, follow prompts to verify microdeposits or re-authenticate to avoid delays and ensure your funds show up on the card. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for durability and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long days using your cash card. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. If your deposit is delayed, check for bank verification requests or weekend processing that can add time. Confirm microdeposits if prompted, and re-authenticate your linked account to remove holds. Be aware of instant transfer limits and potential fees that may apply. These show in the app before you confirm. Contact Robinhood support from the app if transactions remain pending beyond the expected window and you need help resolving holds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.